You know, we all have dreams, but some dreams seem like they don't have a chance of coming true. But right now, there's a unique and very special property available in Crystal Lake that just might make your dream come true. This is your chance. Will you reach out and take it, or will you buy it? There is a magical home for sale at 200 Woodstock in Crystal Lake. It was built by John Peterson, a 5-term mayor of the city, and it's a Queen Ann Victorian beauty. But two things make it really unique. First, it's been lovingly restored from top to bottom. Everything's been redone and brought back to its original splendor. The electric system and the plumbing have been brought up to code. The woodwork has had years of paint carefully removed. The kitchen and bathrooms have been redone with soaring ceilings and really big skylights too. And I mean big. But that's not all. Here's where your dream comes in. This home is zoned R2, which allows pretty much any kind of service business. It's got a 3.5 car garage and a very wide and long driveway for plenty of parking. I'm not sure how many cars could park there, but it's a lot. Now, also, it's in the heart of Crystal Lake. Your clients and customers can walk to restaurants, shopping, all kinds of activities. Now, in this post, I'm going to propose a few dreams. They might be your dream, but there's other dreams that this property can launch. But how do houses create dreams that change your life, you ask? Well, here's a few examples. The first one is easy: living in history. Maybe you have a love story. Maybe you love history and dream of living in a famous historical home. Well, this could be the home for you. It's spacious, lots of light, bathrooms and kitchens spectacular, very high ceilings. It's got everything. But let's go on to a more different type of dream. And let's say you always wanted to start a bed and breakfast. Now, many people dream of owning a bed and breakfast, and this is your chance. The home's already restored, so you're not going to have tons of expenses to set up. It's got lots of parking, great landscaping, and a great location. You know, most B&Bs are in tiny homes in really remote places. What can a guest do at night? Now, your B&B would be in the heart of Crystal Lake, within walking distance to plenty of concerts, shopping, and all kinds of great activities. Now, the next one is one I like. I always had a dream of having a food truck that was a static restaurant location. And I've met lots of people that once they have a good food truck business going, they want to have a fixed restaurant. Well, this location can provide an unforgettable evening of dining in a very unique setting that's not available many places in the country. Now, another dream I was thinking of is murder mysteries. Murder mysteries are mini theaters that provide dinner and a show, and they're popular and very unique. Now, after dinner, the staff plays parts and turns into characters who find a murderer among the guests by being great detectives. But these plays need a mysterious location, and a Victorian mansion actually provides, I think, the perfect atmosphere. Now, let's say you're a doctor, an attorney, a dentist, a beautician, or any other professional who dreams of an unforgettable location that gives you the atmosphere you want for your practice and separates you from the other professionals you compete with. You'll never get tired of saying, "Your appointment is at 10. We're on Woodstock in the Peterson Mansion." Oh, that sounds like a place they'd like to come to and see. And it is. Now, these examples are just some of my dreams. What's yours? Don't let this opportunity slip away. They aren't making any more Queen Ann Victorians. So call me, Tony DeLisi, at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, 847-471-7177 to book an appointment to start your future.